Hey, I'm Jack Gazzard and I'm a truck sales consultant here at the Barry Maney Group in Mount Gambier. So I applied here for an apprenticeship about 5 years ago, trying to get into car mechanics, but I ended up doing car detailing before moving through truck detailing, which sparked my interest in trucks, and then started accessory fitting trucks before starting my heavy diesel apprenticeship, which has then progressed now into me finishing my apprenticeship and selling trucks. Had plans of what I wanted to do with the future and wanted to keep progressing, and I knew doing my trade and learning about trucks was the best way, I suppose, to build my background and knowledge before I could go on and sell the product. So I love, especially being sort of newer in the truck sales role, that I sort of get to plan my own days and run my own ship, I suppose, and I have to be accountable for how I do things and make sure my customers are being looked after. And in the same sense, CMV has been massive in customer support and also looking after their own employees. So it's one of the benefits of working here. I think it'd surprise people that just how many other people you get to meet and make friends in the journey. Like this, the transport industry is just so connected around Australia, and all businesses need transport in some form, and some businesses will need trucks to support that. And that's the thing about transport too, is there is so many, like sales or truck coordinating, mechanics, service advising. There's so many roles. A lot of it, I suppose, for the audience sake, there's a lot of jobs in transport. So if you're thinking about it, just give it a go. I suppose getting promoted into this role was always something I looked forward to from much earlier on. Was always what I was looking towards, and having my first truck sale was pretty big. But my biggest would probably be in the same year winning the TAFE Apprentice of the Year for our local region and the CMV Apprentice of the Year for the Barry Maney dealership. I would say just to, I suppose, be patient. You're not going to, coming out of school, I know for me, I wasn't really sure on what direction I wanted to go and what I wanted to do, especially, as I said, I was looking at the car side of things and ended up in trucks. So you're not going to know straight away, but you're also not going to find out if you don't have a go. Just sort of got to have an idea and have a go at something. If it doesn't work out, you can move on to the next thing.